In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the margins in Mailchimp. If you're looking to clean up the look of your email campaigns and ensure they display beautifully on every device, adjusting your margins, or in Mailchimp's case the padding, is a crucial step. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Mailchimp account. Head over to your web browser, navigate to the Mailchimp login page and enter your credentials. Once you're successfully logged in, it's time to move on to the next step. On the main dashboard, you'll see a variety of options. What you want to do next is select Campaigns. This is your starting point for any email you're working on. Inside the Campaigns section, you'll find a list of your previous campaigns or the option to create a new one. Choose the email campaign that you wish to edit. This is where we'll make all of our changes to the email layout and design. Now find the button that says Edit Design or simply Design Email. By clicking this, you enter Mailchimp's email editor, a place where you have the power to fine-tune the appearance and spacing of your message. Let's get to the heart of it, adjusting the margins, or more accurately, the padding. Mailchimp predominantly uses padding to handle spacing within your email elements, allowing for a smooth, uniform look across various email clients. Hover over the specific section of your email that you want to edit until you see the Edit button. Click on it, and this will take you into a deeper level of customization. Once you're in the editing view, navigate to the Style tab. Within this tab, you should see an option called Padding. This is your control panel for adjusting the spacing of your email. Here, you can modify the padding for each side of your element: top, bottom, left, and right. Mailchimp conveniently offers sliders for you to use. Simply drag them left or right to adjust the values to your needs. Alternatively, if you have a specific look in mind, you can also type in pixel values directly. After adjusting the padding to get the perfect look, remember to click on Save and Close. This will ensure that all your hard work and modifications are preserved. And there we have it. Your email now has the refined look you are aiming for. Keep in mind that adjusting padding rather than traditional margins helps keep your emails looking consistent across multiple platforms and devices, an important aspect of ensuring your message is received just as you intended. By following these steps, you've successfully adjusted the margins or padding in your Mailchimp campaign, helping you to create a more visually appealing and professional email. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on making the most out of Mailchimp.